Hello to everyone and welcome to another demonstration of Pooi. Pooi is an object-oriented interpreter which implements the prototype-based model. In this model we find an interesting kind of inheritance called inheritance by delegation. This inheritance by delegation can be put in contrast to inheritance by concatenation, which is found in most programming languages in the industry. We're going to try today to understand how inheritance by delegation works, and in order to do that we are just going to start copying the prototype and object. We are going to create another prototype which is going to be called worker. Okay. This worker is going to have a salary and another attribute which is going to be fixed as salary per hour. This salary per hour is going to be 60. Okay, so far so good. Now we can calculate the salary of a worker by multiplying a number of hours by the salary per hour. We're going to create a method for that, which is going to be called calculate salary, and this calculate salary is going to accept as argument a variable called nh, and we're going to assign to salary the result of the product of self salary per hour by nh. So in this case we could calculate this salary. For example, 10 hours would be 600 euros of dollars of salary. Here it is. But we're going to put salary back to 0 because this is the prototype and we want it just to copy it and create new workers in this manner. So I can copy a worker, worker 1, and let's say that now we have also executives in our firm. In our firm we'll need a new prototype which is going to call executive. This executive derives from worker and has an attribute which is going to be salary per hour, and this salary per hour would be 120 for him or her. Here it is. Okay, so for example, let's create an executive first. For example, x1. Okay. So worker 1 is going to work for 160 hours. And this means that worker 1 is going to receive a salary of 9,600 euros or dollars or whatever. And XE1 is going to work the same amount of time, and instead of 9,600, his or her salary is 19,200. This is explained because salary per hour is 120 for executives instead of 60 for average workers. When calculate salary is called here, is using the salary per hour which resides in the object calling the method. This is important. This is different. The distinction is important. It's different the object in which the method resides and the object which is executing the method. The method calculate salary resides in a worker, but salary per hour resides in XE1. So, when calculate salary tries to find salary per hour here, it starts by the object executing the method. If salary per hour wasn't here, then it would follow the parent link to the parent object and use salary per hour here. So for example, let's say that salary per hour disappears now, and again we calculate the salary for 160 hours, and surprisingly or not, it is the same amount than worker 1, because when salary per hour is not found here, the satisfaction of finding this value is delegated in his parent. His parent is worker, and salary per hour is 60. Well, I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the demo, and see you soon.